Am I the a-hole for taking $2,000 to get off the plane and coming home late? Delta offered me $2,000 to postpone my flight. This is $2,000 that can be used anywhere. The flight seemed like it would be canceled anyway, and it was. So now I have $2,000 and a hotel stay. But my fiance is upset with me because I took the money instead of coming home. But it seemed like the flight was going to be canceled. Also, I called once and texted once to get her opinion, and she didn't respond to either, so I had to decide on my own. She says that because she's been in a semi-depressed state for the past few days, it's crazy for me to make that decision. She hasn't communicated with me well enough how bad she really feels right now.